Institutional trading psychology: how pros stay calm in chaos. When markets go crazy, beginners panic. Professionals don't. Today you'll learn exactly how institutional traders stay calm in chaos, how they manage emotions during sudden volatility, and how you can adopt the same mental operating system even if you're a brand new trader. By the end of this video, you'll have one simple reaction model that instantly stops emotional panic and replaces it with structured clarity. Let's begin. Section 1. Why chaos destroys beginners. Most beginners crumble during volatility because they don't understand one thing. The market isn't dangerous, their reactions are. When price moves fast, their heart rate spikes. They zoom in to the 1-second chart. They panic because they don't know what they're looking for. And then they take blind actions to fix the fear. Institutions? They've already planned their response before the chaos happens. Today, you'll learn to think the same way. Section 2. The institutional mindset. Institutional traders do not focus on outcomes, they focus on process. They don't ask, what if I lose? What if I miss the move? They ask, what is the scenario? What does the data say? What is my predefined action? Institutions remain calm because they never enter a trade without a playbook, a set of planned reactions for both good and bad scenarios. Beginners panic because they enter without a playbook at all. Calm comes from preparation, not confidence. Confidence comes from structure, not luck. Section 3. The viral problem-solving moment. Here's the truth that can instantly change your trading. Chaos does not require a reaction. It requires a protocol. Institutions use a protocol, a structured flow of questions that keeps their emotions in check. You're about to learn that same protocol. I call it the institutional calm protocol. And once you adopt it, your brain will stop going into panic mode during volatility. Let's break it down. Section 4. The institutional calm protocol. This protocol has 4 steps. During volatility, institutions run this mentally, sometimes in seconds. You will use it the moment markets move fast. Step 1. Zoom out before you zoom in. Professionals always zoom out to regain context. When the market spikes or dumps, beginners zoom in, chaos. Pros zoom out, clarity. Ask yourself, is this movement meaningful on the higher time frame? Most volatility is noise. Pros don't react to noise. Step 2. Identify the level, not the emotion. Institutions only care about key levels, not emotional reactions. During volatility, ask, is price approaching a level of interest? If yes, prepare. If no, sit still. Most beginners panic in random zones. Pros wait for location, not adrenaline. Step 3. Follow the plan you created when you were calm. Institutions never make decisions in chaos. They execute decisions planned in calm conditions. Ask yourself, what was my plan before this volatility hit? Your calm brain is smarter than your emotional brain. If you have no plan, that's the real problem, not the volatility. Step 4. Measure the risk, not the fear. Pros don't ask, will this win? They ask, is the risk acceptable? If risk is unclear, no action. If risk is defined, execute. Fear disappears when risk is defined. Section 5. The Institutional Emotional Model. Institutional traders treat emotions like data, not enemies. They know you don't remove fear, you replace fear with structure. That's why institutions rarely panic during volatility, not because they're fearless, but because they're trained to channel emotion through a system. For you, that system is now the Institutional Calm Protocol. Section 6. How to practice calm like a pro. Here is your daily 60-second drill. 1. Open a chart and zoom out. 2. Mark the 2 to 3 key levels. 3. Visualize price hitting those levels with speed. 4. Ask the protocol questions. What's the context? What's the level? What was my plan? Is the risk defined? This mental rehearsal rewires your trading psychology faster than any indicator. In closing, your new trading identity. Volatility is only chaos for traders who enter the market unprepared. But now you're prepared. You have the same emotional protocol that institutional traders use to stay calm, clear, and focused, even when markets explode. From today forward, you no longer panic. You pause, assess, follow structure, and execute like a pro. You now think how professionals think. Welcome to the next level of trading psychology.